This is inside the Pat's Knob Lookout, looking all over the northwest here, back down towards Plains over there. And we're up here talking with the forestry. And looking back over here towards St. Regis. Back over towards Superior. There's our Forest Service gal. There's Kevin again. Back over here.
KTR link repeater.
There's my repeater ID in. So this is a beautiful Pat's Knob out here. And again, that's the APRS antenna here. And rolling around this way here, coming down the catwalk. Again, there's the rest of the electronic site. There's the 147.14 repeater antenna over here. Right there, 23 foot long, Sinclair SC229. And downstairs we have the Motorola MSF 5000 with a unit and link receiver, which transmits the link over there to Mount Baldy, 127 miles away, through the Bob Marshalls and everything. We don't have any clouds building up yet here, but anyway, back over here. And there's a beautiful valley down here towards Parma and everything. And there's Pat's Knob. Oh, and there's the Rockies right above St. Ignatius over there as they go all the way back into Canada there. All right, bye.